My name is Thelindabradley, and this is Princess House. And your kitchen called. It wants new cookware. It's time to get rid of all the rusted, scratched, dented, cheap cookware and get yourself a set that's going to help you save time and money in the kitchen that you're going to be proud to use. I've made an incredible set for you that's extremely discounted. This is our nonstick set. Our nonstick cookware has the 1810 stainless steel on the outside, and in the bottom, there's a thick disc of aluminum. And what that does is it makes each piece heat up evenly. All of these pieces can be used on your stovetop, gas, electric, or induction. They're also safe in the oven, up to 350 degrees with the lids and up to 450 degrees without the lids. The nonstick finish does not have any PFOA, so you can feel safe using this in your house. The advantage of nonstick is that it saves you from using oils and fats. It's much healthier for you, and it helps you lead a healthy lifestyle. All of the Princess House cookware also comes with that beautiful pattern on the lids, which is why we say pretty can be practical. And they also have the built-in steam spout for slow releasing steam. The first piece is a 10-inch nonstick skillet, perfect for your breakfast and maybe lunch. Next up is your 12-inch skillet for your larger meals. And the granddaddy of them all is our 14-inch deep skillet. You're going to make some great meals in this one. I'm also going to include the 13-inch straining skillet. It has pour spouts and makes it very easy to drain right into your sink. You don't even need a colander. Nice deep pan for your larger meals. And it also includes two of our fan favorites, our 13-inch round griddle, which has been a top seller for years, and our double burner griddle, which goes front to back on your stove. This holds a whole pound of bacon, chicken and steak fajitas, eggs, pancakes, and potatoes. And remember, they're oven safe too. We call this the jewel for your stove. You'll never want to put it away. To make this a complete kitchen set, I'm going to give you everything that you need, including our brand new acacia wood knife block and the different knives that come with it. This set includes the 8-inch chef's knife, the 7.5-inch serrated blade, the 7-inch Santoku knife, the brand new cleaver, the shears, and these knives, just like our cookware, come with a lifetime warranty. The next item in this incredible set is our utensils. You're going to get the rotating utensil holder and the blue silicone tools, the saute tool, the healthy spatula, the deep spoon, and the cooking spoon. And these are all made of silicone. In addition, you're going to get our brand new acacia wood utensils. Look how beautiful the bottom is. You're going to get our spoon, our slotted spoon, the fork, and the spatula. You're also going to get the wooden holder that these go in. I'm also going to include our brand new Flan Pan, which is a 4-quart stainless steel pan with the ceramic non-stick coated aluminum flan pan that can be used inside for a perfect water bath. You can use this piece with or without the flan. And to completely round out your set and give you everything your kitchen needs, I'm going to include our high power 1500 watt white and gold blender. This is our #1 selling item in the line. This entire set is worth over $3,000, but my price to you is just $1,430 for everything I've shown you. It includes the 10-inch skillet, the 12-inch skillet, the 14-inch skillet, the 13-inch round griddle, the double burner griddle, the 6-piece knife set, the flan pan and 4-quart casserole, the wooden tool set and the holder, the blue silicone tools with the rotating utensil holder, and the blender for $1,430, an incredible value. You can start with just $355 deposit and then make 8 payments of $135 each. I can adjust the payments to your budget. Reach out to me to take this set or any other set that I have. I can even make up a set just for you. Ask me.